kailangan ko ba magbuntis para
Oh my
Buti na lang nakamot ang hindi nabubuntis.
For this episode, we will deep dive into understanding boomerang employees. If you're not familiar with boomerang employees, these are the employees that exited the company and returned back after a period of time.
Parang naranasan ko yung tinatawag na quarter life crisis.
Okay.
Arte.
Oh, but it's true.
Yeah, but it's
Ako,
true. It
Parang
happens.
sabi ko,
Nung time kasi na yon, nung paalis na ako, parang feeling ko parang papik yung career ko.
Mm-mm.
Tapos my mom, she asked me to mag-resign ka na lang kasi kumbaga parang hindi naman sa dahil ayaw niya.
so siguro naman nakapagpahinga na ako, baka nga na-burnout lang ako. Tapos sabi ko, kilala ko din naman yung mga babalikan kong tao and alam ko na masaya ako. Nakasama ko yung mga ka-team ko, lahat ng tao sa department, sa buong Incorp.
Having a positive relationship with your colleagues is a deciding factor kasi kung bakit ka babalik.
Exactly, that's true. Kasi kung okay yung team, di ba?
Why not?
So, tapos, during that time, still active ang connection ko with my head, my department head, and constantly nakikipag-communicate siya sa akin.
Oo.
Kung okay ka ba dyan, gusto mo na bang bumalik? Kasi still vacant,
Oo.
ako na. So, anytime waiting. So, ito siguro siya naging